Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, actually, I don't think I'm gonna open it up here, but as you can see, my hair is looking crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, put my hair in like 2 little braids or something so I can go ahead and throw this wig on, girl. It's gonna be lit. Alright, your girl is back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just basically part my hair into just 2 braids, but first I'm gonna comb it out because it's a little nappy. I've been wearing my hair in a bun. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to get copywritten. So I've been wearing my hair in a bun for about, I want to say a week now, and yeah, I need to do like a protein treatment or maybe even a mask just to make sure that my curls are gonna still be popping by the time that, you know, this straight hair is finished. It's already slick finished. My hair is hella oily, so that's actually the reason why I am putting this wig on today. I don't know, I'm just starting to like wigs, as you guys can see. It's way easier than doing my real hair, because my real hair takes so long. My hair parted in sections, what's up? And I'm just gonna put 2 braids. I really need to hurry up and do this fast. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all because they just told me to get ready and put some clothes on. I'm gonna try to do this real quick. I don't really know how to braid. My braid is probably gonna be sloppy, more than likely, just, you know, being honest. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna braid this. Yeah, don't make fun of how I'm braiding. I don't really know how to braid. My braid is probably gonna be sloppy. Do not make fun of how I braid. Stop it. Stop it. This is the best I can do. This is why I don't do my own hair. And this is actually the reason why I need a wig in the first place. So, okay, I'm getting down to the end. Perfect. I'm so happy. I'm excited. I don't know where I'm going, but I just know I'm going somewhere. I haven't been out in so long due to COVID. Alright, boop. 1 done, 1 to go. Let's go. If you're gonna make fun of how I braid, unsubscribe. Do not subscribe. Actually, if you're gonna make fun of my braid, hit dislike right now. Cause girl, I feel you. This ain't it. So all I'm doing is braiding all the way down. And oh dang! Sorry. Now I'm just taking that other braid that I just did and conjoining it with the first braid, braiding it together. At this point, I'm just making something work. Hopefully it looks good. And yeah. Alright, I'm down to the end. And all I'm gonna do is take this braid and wrap it like that. Just to make it, you know, flat. I am also going to grab a bobby pin. Oop. Just like that. Just like that. Usually I would pull my baby hairs and like my little fake sideburns down, but I'm not gonna do that because the type of wig that I have, honey, it's the bayang, okay? So let me go get it. Hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my wig. Let's hear. All right, here goes nothing. god, I look like cousin It. Uh-oh, I heard the doorbell and I'm not ready. Okay. Okay. Oop. Alright, so I don't like those little straggly pieces. What is that? Maybe that's my real hair. Let me look in here. All I have to do is add my lip gloss, which is Sleazy Lips. I'll go ahead and put her information down in my description box so that way you guys can check out what lip gloss I'm using. And that is pretty much it. Quick little install with the bayang. I'm about to go throw my clothes on and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that post notification bell so that way you can be notified whenever I post.
Okay, bye.